Are double bowl sinks good? Pros and cons explained. Dear friends, are you planning a new kitchen or upgrading your old sink? One of the biggest questions homeowners face is whether a double bowl sink is a good choice. In today's video, we'll break down the advantages and disadvantages of double bowl sinks, so you can decide if they're right for your kitchen. A double bowl sink comes with two separate sections, which makes multitasking much easier. You can wash dishes on one side and rinse or dry them on the other. It's also useful for separating clean and dirty utensils, or for keeping vegetables away from soapy water. This makes double bowl sinks a popular choice for families and busy kitchens. However, double bowl sinks also have a few drawbacks. Each bowl is smaller compared to a single large sink, which can make washing large pots, pans, and trays a bit tricky. They also take up more counter space and may reduce under-sink storage because of the larger plumbing system. So, are double bowl sinks good? The answer depends on your cooking habits and kitchen space. If you love multitasking and need separation while working, a double bowl sink is a great option. But if you handle large utensils frequently, you might prefer a single, wide bowl. In the end, choose the sink that suits your lifestyle, not just the trend. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.